A foldable iPhone used to seem like a far-fetched concept that Apple would need years to develop. But now it's beginning to feel genuine. The iPhone Fold is allegedly beginning trial production, thus the debate has switched. It's no longer a question of whether it will happen, but rather when. And as September approaches, the disclosures gradually provide a clearer picture. Sonny Dixon recently shared dummy units of the iPhone 18 Pro lineup, which includes the iPhone Fold. The Pro models appear similar, with only minor differences. Nothing remarkable at first glance, but the Fold stands out right away. Instead of adopting the tall, narrow design of gadgets such as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, Apple appears to be taking a different way. The shape is shorter and wider, similar in feel to the Google Pixel Fold. When closed, it seems tiny and pocket-friendly. When you open it up, it feels like an iPad mini rather than a phone. Something basic, useful, and easy to use. The design values functionality above perfection. It has rounded corners, a squared hinge, and a significantly thin body, perhaps making it one of the slimmest foldables yet. After years of waiting, this no longer feels experimental. Apple appears to be finally taking a cautious but confident approach. It's one of those moments when everything feels near, but not quite ready. You can almost see it, right? Apple is finally getting into foldables, which many have been yearning for years. And now that it's beginning to feel real, there's a brief hesitation, as if it needs a little more time before landing. The iPhone Fold is still expected to be announced this fall, with the iPhone 18 Pro. However, according to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, there is no longer any doubt that the foldable will not ship at the same time, which is not surprising. Foldable phones are still one of the most difficult to get right. The display alone is extremely sophisticated, and even little errors might cause significant delays. Apple takes its time with wholly new designs, especially when the stakes are so high. We've seen this previously too. When the iPhone X was released, it did not arrive among the rest of the range. It appeared later, once everything was completely ready. And it feels pretty similar. Right now, the expectations are simple. An announcement will be made in September, but actual release may be delayed until October, November, or December if things take longer than anticipated. Not a significant delay, just enough to ensure that everything is done correctly.